Hi guys, in this video I explain how to install Java on Mac OS. First, go to a terminal and type in brew. If you get this message that brew command not found, you don't have brew installed. So let's install that first. Go to a browser and then search for brew. And you should see Homebrew up here, which is at the domain name brew.sh. In order to install it, there's a command. So copy this command, go back to your terminal, paste it, and then run this command. This will take a little bit for everything to install. Once the installation is complete, type in brew. And now this command should resolve. Next, let's install Java. Type in brew, install openjdk, and hit enter. Once Java is installed, type in java -- version. This does not resolve yet, so copy the line up here. And then source --profile, type in java -- version, and now this one you see that Java was successfully installed.